tips for your rollover. The rollover is the third exercise in the mat series of 34. It prepares you for the rest of the series. It is a big stretch. It should feel really good and get your energy flowing, your blood flowing, and prepare you for the rest of the work, as I said. So let's compare it first of all to the exercise that the precursor to it, the roll up. The shape is the same, except it's flipped upside down. So that's the first important note, to just recognize the shape of the exercise. So the roll up, your feet are reaching away, you pull your center in, you reach your arms forward. So there is a moment in your roll up over that is exactly the same. So really important to use the dowel to get the full benefit of the exercise. So the Contrology dowels are extra special. I feel like they really give you adequate feedback when you're not connected into your back, which brings me to the second point. Your connection to the dowel is key. You want it to be from your whole entire back. You can think about your back, your arms coming into the waist in that V shape, so it gets narrow at the bottom, and then also reaching up to the wide shoulders. And the dowel assists you, you're reaching up into it always to feel your entire connection, your entire back connection into your waist. So that's the goal. So using the dowel to assist your back and center, and then having a full connection of your hand. Notice when you're holding onto the dowel, whether you're using one side of your hand or the other, the outer edge of your hand, the pinky edge, is what is really important to connect you into this waistline. So feeling that you are using the whole hand, and we'll go over that in a second as well. The next important point of this exercise or piece is that you want to be supported through your upper back and head. So the head should be pressing down, the shoulders should be pressing down to stabilize and to not use your neck. So you want it to be a platform to support the rest of the body. Okay, so let's put that all together. We're going to start down. I have pretty straight arms and I can feel my waist. You might need to be closer if you're working on feeling that connection to your whole back, and that's fine. The push up should be there. So wherever you need to be to feel the reach up and that your arms connect into your waist. I have my whole hand connecting to the dowel. I feel my whole palm reach up. From there, I'm going to lengthen my legs and pull my ribs to the mat. So I've got the reach up into my dowel to help this connection of my middle back to the mat. Reach your toes long, up, away, out, away from the up of your center. And that's key to lift your legs. So I've got my head in one place. I can feel that ridge in my head. I'm pressing down just slightly to hold it still and lengthen. Both shoulders are on my back and pressing as well. So I'm going to reach my legs out to bring them up to the ceiling. I'm going to reach them up to bring them over. I'm pressing my shoulders down and they're staying in one place on my back as I lengthen my upper back away from my low back, just like your roll up. I'm going to open and keep my legs here as I roll down, letting my upper back round, getting my middle back to articulate. Hold your ribs secure on the mat as you lower down. Let's do the reverse. So reaching the legs long from the center, pulling up, finding a slight up to go over. Hold, squeeze the legs together. Feel your roll up stretch through your back. So I'm reaching up into my dowel. I'm stretching my legs further away from my center as I roll down. So put those points together, find your big stretch, enjoy. It is a big exercise, but very key to setting up the rest of the exercises. Thanks for watching this Contrology video.